Hello everyone, my name is Fatia Kasumu and welcome to Minneapolis, Minnesota, home of the Vikings. This is where the National Council of Nigerian Muslim Organizations USA Platform 2012 will be held. This year's theme is religion versus culture. We have a lot of guest speakers, a lot of youth came out, a lot of lectures and a lot of things about religion and culture, the Nigerian religion and the Islamic culture.
Platform is a really amazing experience. I feel like every time I do come to Platform, I learn more about my religion.
No, this is my first platform.
This is your first
Platform, yeah.
How did you hear about the platform?
I heard it from my masjid in Chicago, and I hear.
And what chapter are you from?
I'm from Houston, Texas.
Ètò yìí ó mú àwọn ọmọ wa láti mọ ẹ̀kọ́ nípa ẹ̀sìn Islam.
Is this your first time coming to witness platform program?
No.
What did you learn from this platform?
You should never lie. Like when you're at home or your parents, like when you do something bad, they ask you, did you do it? You can say yes, even if you get in trouble.
Yes, I'm always able to make friends, so that's always a blessing.
A dúpẹ́ fún Ọlọ́run Ọba, torí pé Ọlọ́run Ọba lọ́ba tó ní ẹnìkọ̀ọ̀kan wa tó fún wa ní àsìkò àti àyè láti lè wà nínú ipa ti ọdún yìí.
A fi dá àgbàlagbà ẹnìkan, gbogbo àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké tó wà nínú wa àti àwọn young adults gbogbo wọn náà ní input lórí nǹkan tí a ṣe ní ọdún yìí.
Because I want to be a part of this great event, and I mean, I'm not going to take a lot of credit because I have other people working harder than who worked harder than I did. So
I've been to the past platforms, one in Houston, one in Rhode Island, and yeah, I've been here a couple times before.
Alhamdulillah, 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 rabbil alamin. We had a lot of people from all across the United States, including Canada.
This is my second platform so far.
Second platform. The first one was where?
In Baltimore, Maryland.
Last year.
Yes.
I'm learning that other people are, being Nigerian and Muslim, that a lot of other people are going through the same things I do. So like I don't feel as like alone in a sense. And also I'm learning that that there's a way to mix culture and religion and still be faithful to your religion and your culture.
Saturday was registration day. People came from all over, Philadelphia, Houston, Dallas, Minneapolis, and of course Philadelphia and New Jersey. Day one was very hectic. A lot of people came in late at night, traveling at least 24 hours from their cities, driving by bus, by train, by air. So day one was pretty hectic, but at the end of the day, everyone got their rooms. We had over 6 floors, over 400 people come and show out.
That's right.
Day 2 was Sunday at Platform. It started with a wake-up call. Every day starts with a Fajr wake-up call. Everyone comes downstairs to the common area and makes their Fajr prayer. After that, there's a continental breakfast that will be served. Delicious food, drinks, everything is free continentally provided by the hotel, Hyatt Regency Hotel here in Minneapolis. And then the opening ceremony started.
Welcome everybody here today. I'm so happy to see all of you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, 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 rabbil alameen. On behalf of National Platform Committee, I welcome all of you to this great city of Minneapolis, Minnesota. I hope 4-5 days here will be one will remember for a very long time. From Atlanta, Washington, D.C., we have 9 this year, inshallah. Takbir! Abundant, Maryland.
All the chapters came to greet everyone and to introduce themselves and to say why they came to Platform and what they expect at Platform. Now the highlight of today was after the opening ceremony, there was a lecture portion. So group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4, all separated by ages, went to lectures and discussions.
Hi, my name is K-H-A-D-I-J, which is fine.
You can communicate with all people today.
Now the highlight was definitely the Mall of America. It's the second biggest mall in the United States of America. Over 400 people went shopping. It's about 83 hours to go through all the stores and all of the activities at Mall of America.
Are you guys having fun?
Yeah, we're having fun. We just got.
I see it.
àwọn dé àmọ̀ but fún àwọn yẹn ṣe mú wáyé máa mọ àwọn tó ń nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín dáadáa ni o ẹ ṣe ẹ lọ́jọ́gbò ẹ bá mi gbọ́ ẹ tó wá nífẹ̀ẹ́ aláàjì Ṣàráfà tó ní tó ọlọ́run ẹ bá a dá sí ọlọ́run bá.
So I want to commend the efforts of everybody and for propagating Islam in the first place, and at the same time building a strong generation for the next future. So I want to say thank you. My wife and I, we are humbled to be here. We thank you for the honor and the privilege. We pray to everybody, thank you for the money spent. Anything you escape from Allah, now I say,
Next, we'll talk about day 3. Now, day 3 was very exciting. The Quranic competition was held, and we had over 10 contestants representing each of their cities, and they had to recite different verses of the Quran, and they were judged by sheikhs and imams from all over each chapter. Then, after that, we had the spoken word night that featured our youth. They had poems, great acts, great raps, everything of that nature was held at the spoken word night.
This poem is called Hijab. Covered from head to toe, women changing quick flow. Going to parties, evil can grow. Dean in their hands that they throw.
Fatia, that's what brought in a printed poem. Come up to stage.
Hello, my name is Fatia Kasumo from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, home of tradition. Thank you. So the poem I'm reading is Phenomenal Woman by Maya Angelou, dedicated to the women today.
All the things I need in life, all the things I need in this world.
Oh Allah, you are my perfect master. You have no defects, no mistakes in your word.
After the spoken word night was a delicious dinner, and then everyone went to bed to awake and see what happens on day 4.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalam ala Rasulil Kareem. With Allah's name, the merciful, the compassionate. The prayers and the peace be upon our noble Messenger Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. What I'd like to speak to you today, brothers and sisters, about is, the whole theme of this particular conference is about culture, about religion, about appearances. And these things are very, very important in our deen. And I'd like to start, bi'idhnillah, with Allah's permission, with a story from the seerah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And the story is about a Sahaba. The name of this Sahaba is Thumama ibn Uthal.
You try to see the left heel if you can. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stay there, please. Give yourself like about 30 seconds or 1 minute. Seriously, because you're warm, your back to talk to you, okay?
Platform 2012 Day 4 in Minnesota started with the career fair. There was a panel discussion of different students that went to college and are now in professions and talk to the youth about House College. What do you do there? How's financial aid process? How are the classes? How are your professors? Things like that were discussed on the career fair. And then we had Islamic Jeopardy.
On behalf of the Islamic Committee, Alhamdulillah, I hereby welcome all of you to yet another exciting edition of Islamic Jeopardy for Platform 24. Hey, please hold your applause. Please hold your applause. That's it. In the final analysis, this has become a $100 question.
Jeopardy showcased every chapter representing, and they picked a team. They had a team and they had to guess, what is the Quran, what does it mean? Or different sections of Jeopardy, and they were awarded points. Now this day concluded with the sports competition. It had basketball, foosball, soccer, board games, everything of that sort was at the sports competition. Now all the males were playing basketball, and the New York versus New Jersey, we had Baltimore versus Chicago, and different events held during the sports event. Wow, that was awesome. Now the last day of platform, December 26th.
First of all, we thank Almighty Allah for all His blessings upon us. Second, we thank Allah for enabling us to gather here today for the past 5 days. Some of you came on Thursday, some of you came on Friday, some of you came on Saturday. And inshallah today, some of you will be leaving, and tomorrow, some of you will be leaving. So we take this opportunity to thank each one of you for making effort to come to this platform, inshallah. We appreciate what you have done. And we thank our parents who spent money on their children to come here. Alhamdulillah, may Allah reward you abundantly.
Everyone started packing their belongings, bringing them downstairs, rushing and bustling through the hotel, elevators and the escalators to pack their stuff and get ready to go. Now before they went, prizes and things were awarded to the students that entertained the Quranic competition, everything from pens to Qurans to all these types of prizes that were held, that were given to the youth. There was prizes given for attendance also.
Congratulations for your attendance as well as your contribution towards the success of this program. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to reward each one of you with Jannah.
Now next year we have to see you at Platform 2013 held in Miami, Florida. I'm Fatia Kasumu, and have a nice day.
My name is Musaddiq Bello.
Allah Akbar. So what motivates you to try to change the gear of the preparation and the planning of 2012 platform program?
Alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulullah wa ala ahlihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. My main motivation is that we have been attending conferences. We are all professionals. I mean, we go to professional conferences. We go to other Islamic programs as well. We see how things are done. In platform, this is a program with a huge potential of success. Bringing 500, 600, 800 people together in one place, coming with the intention for learning and interacting and benefiting themselves. I mean, this is a program with a huge potential. So, as professionals, we think we have some input. We have some contribution to make things better. And this is my motivation for participating in this organization.
So the success is not mine, it's us. Because we want to forge ahead. Because my thing is, we have children that are growing. We have to anticipate what is going to happen to these kids. How do we want to lead these kids? How far do we want them to go? We want them to be good citizens of Nigeria and the United States. So the thing is, we have to think 5, 10 years ahead, not now. So that's the reason why I consult with elders and I consult with little kids as well. How can we do it so that we will have a huge success? Alhamdulillah, we're not there yet, but we pray Allah will be there someday.